Hello guys, my name is Seun. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have another interesting topic or discussion with you. I'm gonna share with you today this wonderful discussion. I have a friend. Before I even proceed, let me tell you about the story. I have a friend who has about 5,000 people that always view his status. Whenever I post something on his WhatsApp status, about 5,000 people will view that. You want to know how that is done, so you want to stick around. You don't want to go away, and you don't want to skip anything from this video. So, all right, guys. Now I'm gonna be showing you how you too can achieve that. You want to turn your status to TV because it's very important. You turn your status to TV. So let me just pick up my phone. I'm gonna show you just that. All right, I have my phone here with me. Now I'm gonna show you how that is done. Now, if you can see, if I go to business WhatsApp. If you go to status, you will see a lot of people, see them dropping lots of status. I know you can make money while people view your status. You know how you're gonna do that. Now, if you have people that have interest in what you're doing, and you have them on your WhatsApp, and they can view your status whenever you post something, you can sell to them because they are interested in what you are doing. So now, how do we get these people? I'm going to show you how to get these people, how to get about 5,000 5,000 people watching your status every day, 5,000 people looking at your images, your product images, everything like that. So now let's go to business. Now, if I click on this button, yes, three dot, click on settings, click on business tools, click on business tools, then you want to do something. You want to go to short links. Sometimes this short link you will see it here because um you won't see it because if you have not been using it for a while, so you may not see that button there. So sometimes you click here before you can see that button. But now I have the button, short link button. Then you want to click this button because you're gonna make you meet it off. So you have to click it, you have to turn it on, then click on the pencil to edit. I hello Seun data, please. So you can say change this word to hello. My name is Seun data, or hello friend, save my name as Seun Digital. Hello friends. Hello friends, welcome to my world, and please save my name as Seun Digital, and I'll get back to you on my promise. Now, what do I mean by that? All I just want you to do, because people would like to get free stuff. People like to get free stuff. So that's how you capture their mind for them to come to your status. So now, this is how you capture their mind, like, oh, hello guys, hello great people. Save my name as Seun Digital, and I will get back to you on my promise. Maybe you've promised them something. Just tell them you're gonna get back to them regards to that promise. So you're gonna change this word to your own, like hello, save my name as, then I will get back to you pertaining to our discussion. So you want to do that and save that. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to copy this link by copy it here. Just click on this or these links, copy that links, then you want to go to you want to go to your browser. You want to go to your browser, then click on your browser and click on you want to click on bit.ly to you edit that word so that won't be too long on Facebook, on Instagram, on Facebook page, or whatever you want to post the link on. So you want to go to bit.ly, bit.ly, bit.ly. You want to do this. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to paste that link there so that it can shorten the link for you. And once you get the shortened link, then you want to take it over there. So I'm going to do that briefly. So let's do that. All right, guys, let's do that. My network is slow, so now if you're just coming to my channel, I want to say something to you. I want to tell you to do what? To subscribe, because it's very important. I want you to subscribe because it's very important. I want you to subscribe because it's very important. I want you to destroy that subscription button. I want you to smash that subscription button. And one other thing that is very important is turn on the notification, because if you don't turn it on, you won't know whenever I'm dropping the next video. So I want you to be aware of my next video. So turn on that notification button. So you want to paste that here, paste that long link here, then shorten. You want to shorten that link, then you want to copy the link, then go to your Facebook, then go to your Facebook wall, write something. Hey guys, I'm gonna be giving out free stuff today, free this today. Just smash this button, click on this click on the button below, and you get that free stuff right away. So you want to do that and put it on your WhatsApp, put it on your Facebook page, your Facebook wall, your Twitter, on your Instagram bio. So you can put it on the Instagram bio and say, "Oh guys, you know what? I'm gonna be giving out this free course today, but you know what you're gonna do? Click the link in my bio, and I will get back to you immediately." So you want to do that and do. That's cool for you. So guys, just want to say thank you for watching this video. You know what? Just click on that like button, comment on this video, comment on that the video. I will appreciate all of that. And do what, share this video with your friend that would like to get people to view his or her status, that want to turn his or her status to TV also. So you want to turn your status to TV where you can be making money. You can also get advert for people, from people, where you can always post it on your status, and people gonna patronize them. So you want to do that. So thank you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.